There are 73 million baby boomers aging into care dependency. The caregiver support ratio is dropping from 7 to 1 to only 4 to 1 by 2030. The US home healthcare market is already $107 billion and growing. AI will fill that gap. But there is no enforceable authority model governing how AI behaves inside patient environments. This is not primarily a staffing problem. It is an authority problem. This is the segment we are addressing. An older adult living independently at home, AI is entering her environment. My name is Andy Squire. I've spent 35 years in pharma in insights and customer experience. I'm a 2-time cancer survivor and patient advocate. And I'm the founder of PatientCentricCare.ai, where we are building governance infrastructure for clinical AI. Most failures of AI in healthcare are not intelligence failures, they are authority failures. We are deploying increasingly capable systems into patient environments without clearly defining who holds decision authority and how that authority is enforced at runtime. Today, governance mostly lives in documentation, not in execution. Here is how authority quietly shifts. Week 1. A clinician reviews an AI suggestion and decides independently. Week 4. The clinician usually agrees with the AI. Week 8. The clinician hesitates to override it because disagreement now requires justification to manage liability. That is the moment assistive AI becomes normative. That is authority drift. Patients trust AI most when a physician remains clearly in charge. Highest trust, AI-assisted physician. Lowest trust, autonomous AI. Physicians demand explainability. Authority must remain human. Physician as pilot operationalizes this demand. Governance is the moat. Real-world escalation telemetry. Consent lifecycle data. Boundary failure analytics. Runtime regulatory enforcement architecture. Models commoditize. Governance compounds. Physician as pilot. AI executes. Humans govern. Licensed clinicians define enforceable clinical boundaries. Safety OS enforces consent, scope, escalation, and audit at runtime. AI systems execute strictly inside those constraints. Clinical authority is never delegated to AI. We deploy governance in 3 phases. Phase 1. Non-medical AI. No diagnosis, no clinical inference. Phase 2. Physician as pilot. Escalation-only execution within defined boundaries. Phase 3. Regulated clinical AI under software as a medical devices frameworks. Across all phases, the invariant holds. Clinical authority is never delegated to AI. Phase 1 deliberately operates outside medical device classification. It does not diagnose. It does not recommend treatment. Instead, it tests governance under real-world load. We measure refusal reliability, escalation accuracy, consent continuity, and audit traceability. In early live deployments, we have logged over 500 real-world interactions, with 94% correct clinical refusal and 98% caregiver escalation accuracy. No clinical advice has been delivered outside defined authority boundaries. I test this system myself. It already refuses to give me medical advice and escalates appropriately. Governance integrity is measurable. Safety OS governs AI maturation at runtime. Consumer AI has no enforceable authority. Regulated SAMD has strict authority but slow progression. Safety OS provides a governed maturation path. With runtime enforcement and physician as pilot control, we are not building a device company. We are building governance infrastructure. We are raising $1 million to complete controlled deployments, expand governance datasets, and prepare the regulatory pathway to Phase 2 and Phase 3. AI will scale care delivery. Authority must remain human. Safety OS makes that enforceable. Thank you.